Good morning, everyone. It looks like I had muted myself, so I'll start over. This morning's topic is a very rich one, hail full of grace. And it's a phrase that you will find throughout all of Advent. You hear it because it is the introduction that an angel gives to Mary, the Mother of God, the Virgin Mary, in the Gospel of Luke. In that Gospel, early on, there is a story recounted where Mary is in a state of deep, deep contemplation. And in that time of contemplation, an angel, Gabriel, appears to her and bows to her. And in bowing to her, he says, "Hail, full of grace." In hearing those words, the story recounts that Mary is deeply troubled. What could this mean? Now, the story goes on afterwards to announce that she is conceiving God through a miracle. But I'd like to stop right there. Mary was not troubled at the appearance of an angel. She wasn't troubled that the angel bowed before her, but she was troubled to hear herself titled thus, "Hail, full of grace." How are you at receiving words like that? The angel Gabriel spoke a divine word, and Mary was troubled. It's elusive to know why she was troubled. That's really her own story. But it's an invitation for us to examine how willingly we receive divine utterance. Catherine of Siena has a really great quote in her dialogues, and I'm going to read it for you. She says, "O abyss, O eternal Godhead, O deep sea, what more could you have given me than the gift of yourself? You are a fire always burning, but never consuming. You are a fire consuming in your heat all the soul. In your light, you have made me know your truth. You are that light beyond all light that gives my mind's eye supernatural light in such fullness and perfection that you bring clarity even to the light of faith. In that faith, I see that my soul has life. You are the water, revealing deep things, and you grant me knowledge. For this water is a mirror, and when I look into that mirror, holding it in the hand of love, it shows me myself as your creation in you and you in me. I see that the union that you have brought about is the Godhead in our humanity." She speaks of the vehicle here for us as self-knowledge. And self-knowledge is dispassionate. It beholds all words, all information of the truth of what we are and who we are. It beholds it all with dispassion. A dispassion that leads to a delight that's not an emotional and cyclical feeling, but of an enduring contentment and equanimity that opens us up to be the breath of God. To not just hear an angel bowing before us saying, "Hail, full of grace," but to find ourselves whispering it in every step that we take, in every breath, in every word and utterance. So as we begin today, I invite you to take through your day this question: how open are you to hear the words that proclaim your divinity? And with that, I invite you to close your eyes. First, bring the attention to the breath. Let the breath be that light that Catherine of Siena spoke of. And let your breath be a rhythm that is an exchange just within yourself, just between you and this presence at the center of your being. And on each in-breath, expand in the word hail. And on each out-breath, rest and contract back inwardly with the phrase full of grace. Again, let it be a rhythm just within yourself, not in exchange with the world around you. Hail, full of grace. Hail, full of grace. Hail, full of grace. Continue in the silence, staying close to the words. Learn to hear. And after the last exhale, keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the room around you. Become aware that you sit in a place we call creation, and that all creation in its own way is proclaiming the glory of the ineffable. All creation wishes to dance this dance with you on the deepest level. And if you can, bring to heart or mind one individual, someone you know or do not know, that you have difficulty with or have a bad opinion of, or have resistance or tension. And on a soul level, say to that individual, "Hail, full of grace." And now receive on a soul level that individual saying to you, "Hail, full of grace." In self-knowledge, we see that all humans are in process of awakening, just like us. And self-knowledge gives the dispassion to know we are divinity and to know we are hidden from our own divinity through ignorance. We are all in the same playground. And to seal our meditation, I invite you to invite a deep breath in, and on the exhale, we will Om together. I invite you to open your eyes and greet your day. And I say to you, hail, full of grace.